Hello and welcome to G-Nerd's inaugural video. I'll be your host, Jin, and I'll spell that on the screen somewhere here. Here on the channel, we'll be taking a more zeroed-in approach to Gunpla reviews, primarily focusing on the special qualities of a mobile suit. First on deck is the high-grade Amazing Strike Freedom from the Build Fighters universe. And here we have the Amazing Strike Freedom in all its, dare I say, amazing glory, sporting a revised Dragoon system, mounting to the shield binders, lower backpack thrusters, and even to the long rifle. On to what many lovers of the classic Freedom and Strike Freedom suits will know as the full burst system. Backpack-mounted beam rifles, Dragoon-enhanced shield binders, hip-mounted railguns, and a long-range Dragoon-enhanced beam rifle for that long-range pew-pew action. The shield binders from the backpack can be fixed to the forearms in two different versions, either with the Dragoon wings opened or closed. From a quote-unquote practicality perspective, though, I'm not sure how exactly these would be used for anything other than shields while mounted like this, unless the pilot's a legit coordinator and expects to blast somebody trying to rush them. But it doesn't really matter, because they look really badass. Taking a focused 360 of the main event, the backpack, or rather, the Super Dragoon system. I swear I didn't make that up, it's in the manual, I promise. Bit of a stretch from the OG Seed suit that it was based on, this backpack adds a lot more heft, giving the Amazing Strike Freedom a bit more of an imposing silhouette. And now we move on to the shield binders. Alright, taking a focused look at the shield binders, there's really not much to say. Giant chunks of a lot of blue that go either really fast or go pew pew. Kinda what you get. Now, would we be talking about a Strike Freedom suit if we didn't mention the detachable Dragoons? Ooh, wait a minute, I did. A lot. Moving on. Here we have the remaining alterations to the classic Dragoon system. Rather than being mounted to wing-like units, similar to the shield binders, we have one pair mounted to the thrusters on the backpack, and from what I can tell based on the little white fins, are considered modified Dragoons attached to the beam rifle. Per a classic Strike Freedom fashion, the Dragoons can be detached from all of their base units. Why don't I have them displayed for the shield binders, you ask? Well, I tried. And unless you use a part separator, which I didn't do until later, you have a really good chance of causing accidental stress fractures. See that little white line there? That's bad. Don't be like Jin, guys. Use a part separator. That about wraps up the Gimmick deep dive of the Amazing Strike Freedom. Just some gimmicks of note, the Dragoon enhanced shield binders along with the Super Dragoon system backpack and a modified Dragoon enhanced beam rifle. Have you guys built this kit? If so, what'd you think? Did you find any hidden gems when you did? Let me know in the comments below. Hey everyone, since this is my first video, I wanted to make it just a little special and really bring out a different side of this kit. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more Gunpla Gimmick deep dives. I look forward to growing as a builder and a videographer with the rest of you. Thanks for watching. Jin out.